details about this hotel, flight location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. It is nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of figures is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Of the property without standing in the surroundings. Documents are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, go to the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel,